Okay, hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we unboxing one kit from HG series, the Universal Century, the hardware story. The name is ALYZEUS TX-ff104. So the box arts. Then this one you see the MS form here. This MS form. Then we got flight form here. The action form, and we got the main unit here. So this is a main unit. It is detached equip. Okay, then here. Okay, so you can see here we got a weapon, beam rifle, chest mounted machine gun, vulcan gun, then beam cannon, spare beam saber. Then below here the details, and this is more information. Okay, so open this kit. So one pack here got a sticker. One pack got a hand here. This is like for the main unit one. You see the details here. Then you got a stand and these are clear parts. Continue the frame. Legs. I think this is a frame. So this is a manual. So you can see the manual here. First, see the runner, all the runner here inside. Then the mass production type non Gundam, the main unit, the weapon for the main unit, then the ALYZEUS MS form. Attach all this part to the main unit. Then you can change to the flight form and also the damaged ALYZEUS part. So first we do the main unit first. Yeah. Hand parts, right arm, left arm, the legs, and then the waist, backpack here. Then finish the main unit. Got guns and beam saber. So I got sticker here, and this is ALYZEUS MS form. So need to do some parts on the main unit. Okay, then this is ALYZEUS parts for the legs. Finish legs, and we got like connector here to attach the leg here. The big leg here is not use the connector inside main unit. And this skirt, front skirt, and this one chest part here, and this is a backpack. So need more info. Also here, this is a previous kit lineup. So this is for head parts, and for the shoulder and the backpack, I think this is a backpack. Then the hands. So this is a stand, a special stand for this kit. You need to follow the instruction here to attach the kit to the stand. Okay, then if you want to change to flight form, you got another stand here, another parts for the stand. Follow the step by step. And then the mesh this ni, I think no one want to use this part because better we use the whole unit. Platform, review, weapon, action form, details here, and the color guide. So it's a big, very big HG. So we do speedbook and review to you later. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.